Namaste and welcome to Sutra Network.
Today we are going to discuss India's greatest gift to the world, the timeless idea of unity in diversity. Along with that, we will also explore how India has quietly shaped global culture, science, spirituality, and even everyday life. India's enduring influence. India has done so much and how has its roots all over the world. First of all, what does unity in diversity mean? It means that even though people may have different religions, languages, food, clothes, or customs, they can live together peacefully and support each other. India truly believes in this. With 22 official languages, 1600 dialects, and multiple religions, our diversity is not a weakness, it is our strength. That is what makes India unique, vibrant, and strong. There is no single version of Indian culture because there are thousands, and yet it works. India practiced inclusion long before the West coined terms like diversity and equity. DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion. While diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives are now prominent in many organizations worldwide, the concept of unity in diversity, a core principle of DEI, has deep roots in Indian philosophy and culture. India's long history of diverse communities living together and often celebrated as unity in diversity has influenced the broader understanding of DEI principles. One beautiful reflection of this diversity is Indian cinema. Indian cinema serves as a mirror to the nation's soul, and when those stories travel abroad, they carry with them an implicit message about the country's values, struggles, and aspirations. For example, the 1971 film Caravan sold nearly 300 million tickets in China, making it one of the most watched Indian films globally. While it's considered a Bollywood classic, review highlights the strong performances by Aruna Irani and Jitendra, and the raw sensuality of the nomad tribes portrayed in the film. Cinema shows not just entertainment but also how India connects hearts worldwide. Bollywood is perhaps the most obvious example of India's soft power, using films to project national identity, values, and culture in a way that creates empathy, admiration, and deeper understanding. But cinema was only the opening act. Over the decades, India has given the world many gifts and never bragged about it. They may not always make headlines, but they have quietly reshaped the global imagination. Buddhism. Around 2500 years ago, a man named Siddhartha Gautam sat beneath a tree in deep contemplation. There, under its shade, he attained enlightenment and became the Buddha. This marked the birth of India's first global message, Buddhism, a path of moderation, inner peace, and non-violence. Buddhism became the world's first global religion, and its roots were in India. Today, it is world's fourth largest religion, but every path leads back to the single Bodhi tree in Bihar. Yoga. If Buddhism was the tree of thought, yoga was the tree of practice, known in Sanskrit as yoga. The tradition is thousands of years old. Lord Shiva is regarded as the first yogi, the Adi Yogi. Historical evidence shows that yoga existed in the pre-Vedic period, even in the Indus Valley civilization, and it gained prominence during the Vedic era. It finds mention in ancient Indian texts such as the Vedas and Upanishads. And now it is practiced daily by around 300 million people worldwide. It is taught in schools, embraced by athletes, followed by celebrities and CEOs, and spread through countless online tutorials. In 2014, the United Nations declared June 21 as International Yoga Day. Today, yoga is a multi-billion-dollar global industry, but its heart remains in India. Indian English or Hinglish, language reinvented. India was colonized in English, but today it owns the language. Over 300 million Indians speak English, making India the second largest English-speaking nation after the United States. But what is spoken here isn't British or American English, it's Indian English. Words are repurposed, phrases are reimagined, and meanings are Indianized. If you have heard terms like prepone, close the light, out of station, revert back, kindly do the needful, you have heard Indian English. The language is richer for expressions such as cousin brother, time pass, and pass out. India's scientific legacy. While cinema, religion, and language are tangible cultural exports, India's intellectual contributions are just as significant. Ancient Indian texts also described advanced medical techniques, including plastic surgery. The Sushrut Samhita details procedures like rhinoplasty and skin grafting. In modern times, India has continued to make strides in science and technology. Consider the Mars orbiter mission, Mangalyaan. It succeeded on its first attempt at a cost lower than that set of Hollywood films like Gravity. India reached Mars for less than the price of Sandra Bullock's spacewalk scene. In Silicon Valley, over a third of engineers are of Indian origin, and top global tech companies are led by Indians. India is not just participating in the tech revolution, it is helping lead it. Cultural exports. India's influence extends into kitchens around the world. Chicken tikka masala, now often called Britain's national dish, has Indian roots. Even trendy drinks like turmeric lattes or Gen Z lattes are a popular beverage among younger generations. These lattes are typically made with warm milk, turmeric powder, and often other spices, which is our basic homemade haldi wala doodh. Indian music and dance forms are now performed at international festivals. Indian celebrations have gone global. Diwali, for example, is a public holiday in New York. The world has absorbed these traditions into its own identity. A civilization storyteller. For centuries, India has been many things to many people. A mystic land, a spice route, a colonial subject, a software superpower. At its core, however, it is a civilization storyteller. It has given the world numbers, knowledge, stories, and systems. Yet, it rarely brands these gifts. Buddhism is now considered Asian. Yoga is global. Zero belongs to the world, and diversity has become a buzzword. Real influence doesn't need a stamp. It moves quietly and travels far. Some call it soft power. India calls it what it truly is, an enduring influence. India has made profound contributions to the world across various domains like science, mathematics, medicine, spirituality, culture, and economics. Yet historically, it has not aggressively promoted or taken full credit for many of its achievements. Let's elaborate on these points with specific examples and context. Zero and decimal system. India gave the world concept of zero and the decimal system. The Indian mathematician Aryabhatta was among the first to use zero as a placeholder and develop advanced calculations. Ancient Indian texts like the Sulba Sutras contain geometric and algebraic ideas centuries before similar discoveries in Europe. Bhaskara II wrote works on calculus and mathematical astronomy long before Newton and Leibniz. Indian astronomers like Varamihira and Brahmagupta made accurate predictions about eclipses, planetary motions, and even gravity concepts. Ayurveda and medicine. Ayurveda, India's traditional system of medicine, dates back thousands of years and has influenced other medical systems like traditional Chinese medicine and Unani. Ahimsa. The principle of Ahimsa, central to Jainism, Buddhism, and later Gandhi's independence movement, inspired civil rights leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela, again without Indian claiming the ownership. Music and dance. Classical Indian music and dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Odissi are deeply spiritual and expressive, shared freely with the world. The most important and vital thing, India was once known as the Sone ki Chidiya, golden bird, being a major exporter of spices, textiles, steel, and gems. Despite its wealth, it never colonized other lands or enforced cultural dominance through trade. So whether it is philosophy, science, spirituality, food, cinema, or the simple yet powerful idea of unity in diversity, India's influence endures. It continues to inspire humanity not by domination but through wisdom, creativity, and compassion. India's story is the world's heritage. As we say in India, fir milenge. Thank you for watching and being part of the story with us. We'll be back soon with another video on India's contributions to the world and how they continue to shape our lives today.
Ramayana Club, we believe your spiritual journey should be as meaningful as the destination themselves. For over 10 years, we have been connecting devotees with India's most sacred places, including Ayodhya, Kashi, Mathura. Our expert guides, inspired by the Ramayana and other ancient texts, ensure an authentic and deeply fulfilling experience. We have successfully guided over 15,000 happy devotees on more than 500 pilgrimages to over 120 destinations, making your journey comfortable, affordable, and rich with spiritual essence. With our fast, reliable, and affordable rides, your only focus is your devotion. Let Ramayana Club make your pilgrimage a cherished memory. For more information, please visit our website.